Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find or view photos or videos that we have added to the favorite list on Instagram. Alright, so for instance, if you want to favorite someone's post on Instagram, all you have to do is tap on the favorite icon. So tap on favorite icon right here. Alright, and it means you have saved as favorite. Okay, how do you find saved post? This is easy. Go to your profile and tap on three line in the top right corner. Select saved. So you can find it here. Just click. So if you want to remove it from favorites, all you have to do is select the post. For instance, select this post and tap on the favorite icon right here. Go back and the post has been removed. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.